Hello and welcome. Today we're going to talk about something many people don't often discuss, especially with age: 5 things that turn women on more than sex. Yes, you heard me right. Things that give a deeper spark, emotional, hormonal, mental, that often matter much more in long-term well-being and connection. Stay to the end because number 2 is the best, and there's a surprise you'll want to hold on to. Number 1. Being truly understood. What does that mean medically? When someone feels heard and seen, it lowers stress, reduces cortisol, a stress hormone, and allows oxytocin, that bonding hormone, to flow more freely. Understanding means more than listening. It means noticing small cues: how she's feeling, what she values, even what she doesn't say. When a woman feels someone gets her without judgment, that emotional safety builds attraction that often outlasts physical desire. Number 2, and this might be the most powerful: genuine respect. Respect for her opinions, her body, her time, her boundaries. Respect means treating her as an equal, showing trust, valuing her decisions. From a health point of view, respect helps reduce anxiety and boost self-esteem. High self-esteem increases dopamine, the feel-good brain chemical. When respect is present, it feels deeper than sex alone. This one often surprises people, but many women rate respect as more arousing than just physical intimacy. Point 3. Emotional safety and vulnerability. We all carry fears. Getting close means risking getting hurt. But when both partners allow themselves to be vulnerable, expressing fears, hopes, worries, that creates trust. Trust lowers the brain's guard, decreases the release of adrenaline, and opens the mind and body to connection. When a woman senses she can share without being judged, that emotional intimacy releases oxytocin and makes her feel deeply connected. Number 4. Shared laughter and joy. Think about moments when you're laughing so hard with someone you forget your troubles. Laughter boosts endorphins, the brain's natural painkillers, and increases dopamine. It raises mood, reduces tension, connects people. Fun together, playful teasing, shade of humor, all of this can be far more intimate than physical touch. For many women, laughter equals comfort and closeness, and that can be more turn-on than anything else. And number 5, small acts of kindness and consistency. This is about everyday caring, listening, helping without being asked, being there during hard times, keeping promises. These acts build trust and show that someone is reliable. From a health view, when you feel safe and loved, oxytocin increases, chronic stress falls, sleep improves, mood stabilizes. That steady care, more than grand gestures, often turned on deeper attraction in women as we age and understand what really sustains long-term love. So there you have it, 5 things that often turn women on more than sex: being understood, respect, emotional safety, shared joy, and kindness with consistency. And here's the surprise: combine all 5, and you create what scientists call secure attachment, that feeling of being at home with someone that may be the greatest turn-on of all. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and share with your friends, especially those who value genuine connection. Let's build relationships based on real health and well-being.